Hi everyone, in this summer I have the opportunity to work on COBOL Check, and my program is called Move COBOL Check to the Next Level. So a brief introduction in case of some of you who are not familiar with COBOL Check. COBOL Check is a testing framework for the programming language COBOL. It consists of two programs. The first one is the interpreter, which defines the high-level unit testing language. .cut stands for COBOL Unit Testing Language. It consists of a tokenizer, interpreter, and a code generator. It converts .cut language into COBOL files upon running and generates detailed reports. On the other hand, the second program is the VS Code Visual Studio Code extension. It offers syntax highlighter and interactive testing buttons. So here is a quick summary of my contribution. I've solved 6 issues in total, 4 of which are with the interpreter and 2 of which are with the VS Code extension. For the interpreter, I've modified the syntax. For example, throw an exception when required argument is not given, adding support for mock and verify call arguments without commas, changing the default return code, and solved the issue with mock sections and paragraphs cannot handle periods and bodies. For VS Code extension, I modified the syntax for the syntax highlighting and also added a new test tree for running tests in the extension. There are 2 tasks that are particularly challenging. I would like to talk more about that. The first one is mock sections and paragraphs cannot handle periods and bodies. So as you can see, there's a section on the left side, and if there's another test case in the .cut language that mock the section defined earlier, there would be an issue that the periods in the previous section would throw error. So the solution that I implemented for this issue is that I added another paragraph or section underneath so that all the content of the section are moved to there, and it is called when it is in the when other section. So the next challenging task is adding the test tree. I use VS Code extension API to add the test tree and interactive buttons. The program then identifies the files and paths with .cut and breaks down the test into smaller parts like directory, program, test file, test suite, test case. So here we have a demo for you. So initially there's only a single button to test the program. And now when you click on the testing explorer, you can see all the files with .cut and the directories related to it. So you can run the program like greeting or alpha. Moreover, you can run the individual test file inside it. So the test case and the test suite are also shown in the Explorer. You can also run the directory instead of the program or the test files. So this is the demo for the test tree. In conclusion, I've learned a lot in this program, be it soft or technical skills. For example, the importance of rigorous testing, object-oriented designs, and team communication. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my mentor, Rune, and also David for their support and guidance throughout the journey. Thank you very much.